Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of several tree species from the Cinnamomum genus. It has a sweet and woody flavor and aroma, and it is commonly used in cooking and baking as a flavoring agent. Cinnamon tea is a warm and comforting drink that's perfect for chilly days, or when you're looking for a cozy beverage to enjoy. Not only does it taste delicious, but cinnamon tea also offers a range of health benefits. If you want to prepare cinnamon tea at home, here's a simple recipe to follow. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. Before you begin, make sure you have all the ingredients necessary to prepare cinnamon tea at home. You will need 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cups of water, honey, and lemon juice. Step 2. Boil the water. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a pot. Once the water has come to a boil, reduce the heat to medium and add the cinnamon sticks to the pot. Let the cinnamon sticks simmer in the water for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you let the cinnamon sticks steep, the stronger the flavor will be. Step 3. Strain the tea. After the cinnamon sticks have steeped in the water for 10 to 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and strain the tea into a mug or teapot. You can use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to strain the tea and remove any cinnamon bark or debris. Step 4. Add honey and lemon juice. If you prefer your tea to be sweet, add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir until the honey is fully dissolved. You can also add a teaspoon of lemon juice to the tea for a tangy flavor. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Once you have added honey and lemon juice, if desired, serve the cinnamon tea hot and enjoy. You can garnish the tea with a cinnamon stick or lemon wedge for added flavor and presentation. Tips for preparing cinnamon tea. Use high-quality cinnamon sticks for the best flavor. Look for cinnamon sticks that are tightly rolled with a strong aroma. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of powder per cup of water if you're using cinnamon powder instead of cinnamon sticks. Adjust the amount of cinnamon sticks or powder based on your preference. Some prefer a stronger cinnamon flavor, while others prefer a milder taste. Let the cinnamon tea steep for at least 10 to 15 minutes to allow the cinnamon to fully infuse the water. You can also let it steep for longer if you'd like a stronger flavor. If you're adding honey or another sweetener to your cinnamon tea, start with a small amount and add more as needed. Cinnamon tea is naturally sweet, so you may not need much additional sweetness. Benefits of cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is not only delicious, but also has several health benefits. Here are a few reasons to add cinnamon tea to your daily routine. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Blood sugar control. Cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a potentially helpful supplement for people with diabetes. Heart health. Cinnamon tea may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are both risk factors for heart disease. Digestive support. Cinnamon tea may help improve digestion and reduce bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Immune system support. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties and may help support the immune system, making it a useful remedy for colds, flu, and other infections. Mood enhancement. Cinnamon tea has a warm, comforting aroma and flavor, which may help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Brain health. Cinnamon has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, making it a potentially useful supplement for people with age-related cognitive decline. Variations. Cinnamon tea can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Here are a few variations to try. Cinnamon and ginger tea. Add a slice of fresh ginger to the pot when simmering the cinnamon sticks for an added spicy flavor. This variation is great for boosting digestion and reducing inflammation. Cinnamon and clove tea. Add a few cloves to the pot when simmering the cinnamon sticks for an added warming flavor. This variation is great for improving digestion and reducing inflammation. Cinnamon and black tea. Brew a cup of black tea separately and add a cinnamon stick for added flavor. This variation is great for adding a caffeine boost to your cinnamon tea. Cinnamon and vanilla tea. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to the tea after straining for a sweet and fragrant flavor. This variation is great for adding a sweetness to your cinnamon tea.